Alright, this one came by surprise. It's a Norfolk Southern train. We kind of had to run down along the railroad tracks a bit to get it, so you get it in view.
Come on. You have yours zoomed in?
What?
You have yours zoomed in?
Yeah, it's zoomed in. I get it zoomed in more.
I don't even have mine zoomed in yet. I can zoom in my picture.
Alright, go.
Already started.
Train.
There it is.
1, 2 engines.
Come on, I gotta zoom in, man. I can't really get it, man. I can't find it.
We got here just in time. Speeding fast CSX train. Gotta go. Right there! We just barely made it.
I think it fell.
Yeah. Look.
It's not fine.
Right there. The Norfolk Southern train coming now.
There it is. I'd rather been up closer.
Yeah.
It's picking up speed.
It is.
I got enough of it. I only wanted to get the engine.